What's wrong with you, man?
He looks so dejected.
What's wrong with you, bro? Chilling today for real. I ain't had too much been going on. Just been playing the game. Figure out how I'ma grow on here. You know what I mean? Trust me, I got some plans, bro. I'm staying focused. You know, trying to be consistent. You know, patience is key, bro. Let that be a lesson to y'all too. Patience is key. Anything that you want to do in life, you can do it. You just gotta put your mind to it, man. That's what anything. Anything you want to do. If you believe it can happen, then it'll happen. But it's easier said than done, to be honest. So, yeah, man. Just make sure you stay focused. Keep the grind right, you know. Yeah, keep hustling.
Scary videos, filmed by Doorbell Camera, Volume 2, Number 5.
I don't know who the f you are. Listen, I ain't shot at now. Please tell me. You're about to be.
This would-be intruder is trying to be subtle but failing miserably. His evil plot
Bro,
was...
if you been shot at, why you still sitting there? And then you sitting there screaming in the same spot. Shooters are just come around the corner, bro. He is not being shot at.
Killed.
I am being shot at
By
Dude,
what?
Are
A
you
dude.
serious? Yeah. What? I'll call the law.
The guy claims he's being
Yeah, they
shot at,
down
but the
south.
homeowner isn't having any of it.
Gotta be down south.
What's wrong with you, man?
He looks so dejected.
What's wrong with you, bro? You sitting there, walked up on this lady porch, looking greasy, in a dingy ass tank top, and some sweatpants. Talk about you been shot at. Lucky she don't shoot at you.
Feel bad for the guy.
I don't feel bad for him.
Number 4.
I feel bad for him.
A man is apparently talking to himself outside a stranger's door. Oh yeah, and he has a massive blade. You can't really hear what he's saying, but he appears to be speaking to someone.
This nigga got on the most random outfit ever. First, he got a shirt that say fresh. Okay. Then you got on these gloves. Like you, I don't know. Probably made you feel like a superhero or something. Then you got on a bumping hat. Where did you get your, bro? You just random. That's what we're gonna call you, random. Bro, like what is wrong with you? On somebody, on this person porch. Look like probably, I bet you got like 3
The guy
o'clock, 2
stands
o'clock
there
in the
for a
morning
moment
with a
longer
machete
before his demons drive him elsewhere.
and some socks.
Number 3. This ring footage was filmed in Texarkana, Texas. The homeowner shares that this man regularly visits their house because he believes it belongs to someone he knows.
Y'all ain't gonna answer the door for the police, so that's very unusual around here.
You don't see this camera, bro? I know it's obvious it's a camera too. It's a ring camera. I'm quite sure it's a ring camera. I have a ring camera. It's obvious as hell that it's on the door. You think they, bro, this is 2022, bro. You think they not looking at you? They obviously know you're not the police. They're not going to answer the door. I told his over there.
Usually he causes a scene. In this particular instance, he went overboard.
Hello? Get somewhere. What's that? I can't understand you. You're what? Sir?
Bro,
The
get off
homeowner
that
isn't there, but
porch,
he
bro.
buzzes
Obviously,
in.
you
He's
know
telling
it's
him
not
to
the
get off his
person.
property, but he refuses to leave.
Obviously, you know it's not the person that you know that lives there. And you said, sir. You ain't called nobody by their
I
name.
know the girl, this person that owns it. And I am the police. She lives in one of my apartments. Stacy Crawford on this. I'm going to tell her. Then we'll be back for
After his crazy rant, he
See,
starts
look.
to take his rage out on the
Hey,
camera.
Oh, that was head hurt.
Hi, camera.
Now you want to say hi, Cameron. You didn't say hi
When
when
he
it
can't
first
destroy
looked
it by
at.
hand, he takes a boot to it. Number
What is
2.
wrong with people, bro? Oh, no.
These homeowners in Truckee, California had a very unusual visit in the night.
Go ahead, Yogi Bag. Go ahead somewhere.
Upon hearing their doorbell at around 10 p.m., they thought some pranksters were playing Ding Dong Ditch. And maybe they were. After getting up close and personal with the camera, the
That's
lead
why I'm
bear
so
saunters
happy, bro. I
off.
don't live nowhere like that. Like, people got to worry about rattlesnakes and alligators and bears, cougars. Like, just people who live in wild nature places. Like Florida. Or somewhere. Or like, I don't know, somewhere in the mountains. It's like, bro, you got to watch out for all this stuff, bro. I'm not with none of that. I can't see myself living. I can see myself living in Florida. But, bro, dealing with all that make you rethink stuff, bro.
Let's hope there's nobody out walking in this community right now. Number 1. Early on a Saturday morning in Visalia, California, this homeowner received a Ring doorbell notification. A stranger was at his door.
Can I help you? What?
Say, can I talk to
Why?
The woman is clearly intoxicated.
Who?
I said, can I talk to the person who lives here, please?
Obviously, you talking to him.
You got the wrong address.
Like,
She starts hitting buttons.
it's weird. Want to talk to juvenile detention facility?
Then
What?
she hits a million buttons.
You have the wrong address, sorry.
Well, can you call them?
You
For a
call
moment, it
him.
seems like she's given
I
up.
don't even know them.
Like it calls, like it pushing his buttons? I don't give a
But this interaction keeps going.
Bro, go ahead.
Saturday. I don't give a
You gonna sit there and keep pressing them buttons.
She simply won't leave, and she insists she's at the correct address.
Go away.
You can hear in his voice that he wants to go back to sleep.
He's scared. Bro, I wouldn't even be scared. I'd be annoyed.
Why?
Like, why you there? Like, leave. There's no way you
You
get
have the
this
wrong
drunk
address.
that you got the wrong house.
Wrong address. Go away.
No, that.
I can't see myself getting that
Correct.
drunk. I can't.
And yet she continues to ring and smash his doorbell incessantly.
Say it like that. Charlie.
Lady, go ahead somewhere.
By the North End. There's a casino from the community.
You ain't acting like it.
Stop.
So keep knocking, keep ringing, keep calling.
You just
You
gonna
have the
keep
wrong
sitting.
address. Seriously.
A bitch. Yeah.
She gonna feel all that in the morning.
I'll break the coming. Watch.
You're gonna hurt your hand. Stop.
I'll break that shit.
That's why she gonna
It's
feel that
surprising
all
the
that in
camera
the
has
morning.
withstood the beating so far.
Watch
She appears to be trying to pry it off.
Should've gave
After
up.
making no progress, she becomes increasingly aggressive. She just won't stop.
Yo. I want to see what her hands look like the next day. Where you going?
She apparently walks off.
Dude?
And they arrive 10 minutes later and arrest her. She welcomes them with open arms. It's not clear what she was charged with, but the homeowner is certainly grateful for some peace and quiet at last.
You can tell he a nice dude. He drive a Prius. Yeah, I'm getting at y'all the next one, bro. These people crazy as I don't know what. Ain't no way you knocking, bro. You not knocking on my door like that. I promise you, not. Something's gonna happen. I ain't gonna say too much, but yeah. Nazo out.